So today focusing the product is our Nash Energy 30 to 140 cylindrical cells. The cell chemistry is LFP. The cell load is 3.2 volt and 15 Ah. The entire cells are made in India. So and we have the R&D center in Japan. Our cell manufacturing plant is 600 megawatt. Our cell plant is located in Bangalore, Dabaspet. The cell application you can use in two-wheeler and three-wheeler. And as Nash Energy, we are into BMS manufacturing also. The BMS we have smart BMS. So this one is 28S and this is 16S. You can use in two-wheeler and three-wheeler applications. And if you consider the battery pack, 90% of the component of made in-house. So you can bus bars and the cabinet and cells. So entire 90% of the components are made in Nash only. So you can say all the product you're looking for, the customer looking for entirely made in India. You can come to us, you can buy our product.